Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, all of you. I hope all of you very well. First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher and Ghulam Nabi sir and Sangeeta ma'am who given me a golden chance to speak on podium. My name is Javed Anwar. I am from Gopaganj. I am learning English speaking course Global Spoken English. Now I would like to speak some line in Hindi. सच्ची बातों को जान लेने का नाम ज्ञान है. सच्ची बातों को जान लेने का नाम ज्ञान है. जो अपनी मेहनत से कुछ कर देखा है वही महान है. Today I am going to tell about corruption. Corruption is the main problem. Corruption is the main problem of the world. It has spread in every field. It has affected many countries. We can't do good work for nation and the country due to corruption. The people of India have destroyed from this problem in this time. Our family, daughter, sister are not safe. Daughter, sister are not safe in the society due to corruption. In this time, it is also part corruption. We go to office, the officer takes bribe. In this time, we must take step against corrupt officer. In this time, it is also part corruption. Now I would like to speak some line in Hindi again. घायल तो यहाँ हर एक परिंदा है, घायल तो यहाँ हर एक परिंदा है, मगर जो फिर से उठ सके वही जिंदा है. That's all. Thank you very much for giving your beautiful time for listening my speech.